Parang daw. Okay na din. Yay! Sorry na, nagka-problema po sa ano. Bayo, wala kasi akong stand. Naiwan ko. Anyway. Wala. Hi everyone! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. This is Vivery. Welcome to FYE channel with me. Kumusta kayo lahat? Okay lang, okay lang. Today is Saturday. Ay, thank you. Happy New Year. Thank you, Samantha. I am her. Wow, suking-suki ah. Yo, Kasha. Yeah. From, thank you, Amador Vivery and Iansky. Mapakay ka day. Ilad dun, eh. Ay, pangilad ba? Kay bad na. Okay, I'm reading your comments. If you have any requests, yeah. From RTVC. Blink po ba kayo? I love Blackpink, pero hindi ako yung sobrang updated or like diehard fans. Marami. Hindi ako diehard fan talaga ng Blackpink, but I love them. Four of them. Twice naman, si ano yung bet ko dun eh, si Chuyu. Chewy pala, Chewy, pag-pronounce, diba? Siya. May song request ba kayo? Pag umabot ng 50K, demanding kang girl. Sino guest mo, V? Let's all welcome! Beyonce! Halika na, Beyonce! Beyonce! Come on! Oh, you are shy to me? You're shy to me? It's just me. You know? You should not be shy. Nahiya si Beyonce, guys. Kaya sorry na. Kaya ako muna, ako muna yung mag-guess kasi nahiya siya sa akin. Ano ko? Lahat na lang nahiya sa akin eh. Ate, napanood mo na yung Sweet Home? Korean yan, di ba? Sa Netflix. I haven't yet. Pero nasa watchlist ko pa siya. Kasi hindi ko pa natapos yung Peaky Blinders. Nahihirapan ako tapusin siya kasi sobrang violent series. Like, may parts na hindi ko maintindihan. But, overall, I still love Peaky Blinders. And, ang next ko kasing panoorin yung Startup. Yeah. Hindi namin matapos ni Ate Jessa yung True Beauty kasi hindi namin alam saan panoorin eh. Sa VU. Tama ba? Legal ba yung VU, guys? Na all my time mag-watch. Actually, wala na nga masyado. But like, pag may time talaga, ayun, nood sa Netflix, basa, but here, not much time. Only have 24 hours a day, and most of the time, pag natutulog kayo, syempre, mababawasan yung 24 hours mo. Diba? So, share ko lang. Solid story ng startup. Sige, I'll watch it if may time na. Siguro next week. Yeah. Sumali ka po ba sa PBB? Hindi. Sinalihan ko Going Bulilit. Doon ako na-discover. Pero, mga, lang, hindi kasi napalabas yung episode namin sa Going Bulilit, kaya ayun. Kailan yung promotion nyo sa LODM? Not sure, pero feeling ko next week. I don't know pa. Hindi ko alam yung schedule ko. Pero soon, mag-guesting kami. Hindi ko alam. Basta may mga guestings kami and interviews soon. So, abangan natin yan. Also, I don't... Mag-guest ako sa ASAP ulit. So, excited na ako. Wala lang, share ko lang. OMG, ASAP, yeah. Shh. Baka kasi bawal pa sabihin. Pero, feeling ko okay naman na. But I'm back. ASAP. Soon. I'll let you know, of course. If kailan talaga. Kamiss ka doon. Namiss ko din talaga mag-ASAP. Like, yung adrenaline rush mo pag sumasayaw ka, nagpa-perform ka, and like, wala, just the mere fact that you're dancing on stage. Iba yung pakiramdam. It's like you're expressing yourself in a different way through movements. So, kala mo naman sobrang dancer, nangangalawang na nga ako. Tagal ko na hindi sumasayaw. More blessings this year for all of us. Let's claim that. Let's pray for that, of course. I know last year was a tough time for all of us, but I hope we're all gonna be there for one another this year. Have one another's backs. Miss mo na ba sina Christian and Heaven? Of course, they're my besties. Si Chan Chan, tsaka si Ven. Yun sila. These days kasi, diba, lalo na we're in the middle of a pandemic, it's really hard to like see your friends personally. So, ayan, chat lang, ganyan. Message. Kakamustahin mo sila, how they're doing, ganyan. Don't really see each other na. Unlike before, diba? Lapit na mag-50K, I'm gonna sing. Anong gusto niyong kantahin ko? Yeah, life goes on. Yeah, life goes on. Ang may pinakamaraming... Ay! Nagpas na pala 50K diamonds. Sige, kanta na tayo. Kilala niyo Treasure? Yeah, I know. I know them. Okay, so we're gonna sing. Magkakantahin ko. Ay, 1 hour pala to. Kaya pala paulit-ulit. Anong gusto niyong kantahin ko? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Fly me to the moon. Okay. Teka lang, alam ko ba to? Wait, patugtog. Pakinggan ko muna ha, pasensya na. I'll listen to it first, and then we'll see if I can do it, or if not, I'm gonna sing another song for you. Pakinggan muna natin. Together. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all... Okay, sige, kaya ko naman siguro. Ay! Kinaman ako na. Okay. Kanta ni Keshi. Sino tong Robert Divina? Oh, I love Keshi. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. Tama ba? In other words, I love you. Yan lang, puro humming na to. Thank you! Okay. Oh, what's next? Do you have... ask me anything. I mean, yung kaya kong sagutin. Like, anong 10 times... Mga ganon, mga math, science, spelling bee. Driver's license? Nope. This isn't it. Ay! Special love. Sige. Thank you po ulit sa lahat ng mga nagbabagsak ng mga gifts. Love you guys. Gusto ko lang yung hair ko kasi. Yeah. Babae ka dyan, Carl. 2 is better than 1. Okay, let's try a very special love by my Lodi Sarah Geronimo. Dami odds. Okay. Ay. Ah! Ate Jessa! No lang. Teka lang, wala na akong light. 감사합니다. Sorry na. Ayan. I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with lovers before. I couldn't believe I see part of this dream to be walked on by everyone, but then tama ba? Then I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. I found a very special love in you, and it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go. Yours look like the rest. You know. Another song. Ito na naman ako. Katulala. Sige. Right next to you. Sige, mag-answer muna ako ng mga, or like may mga requests kayo, I'm gonna do it, like aside from singing. TikTok. Ayan, anong tawag yun? Copina? Ano? French yun eh, French. Voila. Bonjour. Ano ba yun? Spanish na halo-halo na yung mga language na natutunan ko. Kasi nung nasa Bohol pa ako, nung high school ako, may French subject kami. So, may mga konting words akong alam. I mean, like, may mga phrases or like sentences akong natutunan before, but hindi ko, nakalimutan ko na. And then, nag-learn din ako ng Spanish, pero hindi ko din tinuloy. Sorry na. Tuloy minsan yung iba. So, ano yun? TikTok dance. Sige, may isa nag-request dyan ng TikTok dance. Okay. Pag mag 100K, magti-TikTok ako. Pero wala pa eh. So, kanta muna tayo. Ano bang song? Ano yung song? Ano yung song? Ooh. Hopelessly Devoted to You. It's not I'm broken. Wait lang, pakinggan ko muna ulit. I love this song. I love old songs. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken cat. My eyes are not the first to cry. Not the first to know. It's just no getting old. Tingnan niyo yung nails ko. Naputol ka na ano siya. Tawag dito. Naputol siya. Kasi habang nagpapalit ako ng damit, parang naano ng hanger. Like, nagmamadali kasi ako nun. So, naputol siya. Kaya ito. Share ko lang. Pakinggan ko muna ha. Ate Army po kayo, yes. This is Jimmy. And this is my other album. Baby, can't you see? There's nothing else like me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Share ko din sa inyo yung mga libro ko. Sige. After ko kumanta, kanta muna tayo. Okay. All right. And then, yeah. Naisip ako ng next song. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. Not first to know. There's just no getting over you. No, I'm just who's willing to sit around and wait for you. Baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now, ulit. But now, there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. My head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hindi ko alam. Pasensya na. Sige na nga, next time kakantahin ko yung mga alam ko talaga by heart. Okay, so, yung TikTok naman. Nag 100K na eh. Peace.
Sino mag-aakala magbaba?
Listen. Kuha pala. Black pa rin. Ayan! Okay na. Okay. Jessa, I need your help. Pahawak ka lang kasi sasayaw ako. Yan. Naka-short lang. Okay. Done! Isa pa, one more. Gutom na ako. Wala nang energy. Naka good watching song. I mean, yung lalabing. Hindi ko kasi, hindi ko alam anong meaning eh. Kasi, what a night. Ay, yun lang. Napagod eh. Hindi nga nakapagod yun. Dapat, ay, lola na talaga. Yun lang. So, yun nga, I wanna share to you, wow, mga libro ko. Actually, most of the books that I have right now, hindi ko pa nababasa, but I have here, The Girl on the Train, ito, Harvard Classics, and Dracula, Tom Jones, Little Women, Pride and Prejudice, and William Shakespeare, ay hindi, poems pala to, and this one, William Shakespeare. Yung mga binili kong bago kasi parang ano siya, like second hand na yung mga libro, like ito. Actually, all of these mga second hand na. And then ito, yun lang, basta yan. Ito yung Percy Jackson. Share ko lang. Yeah. This one, matagal na to sa akin. The Power of the Actor. I bought this nung nag-workshop kami. Nag-Star Magic Workshop way back 2017 or 2016. Wala lang. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Can you guys see me? Hello? Okay, good. Ay! For anyone who's asking where PJ is, nasa US po siya. I think he's fixing some papers, mga documents, ganyan. I hope he's okay there with his family. So, but of course, let's not forget my Love on the Move po kami. Shipping soon. I hope abangan niyo po. Kinakabahan ako kung ano yung performance ko doon. But, yeah. Soon. see me? What else? Do you guys want me to dance another TikTok video? I Can't Stop Me. Hala. Sige nga, I Can't Stop Me. By Twice. De, sasayuin ko siya pag nag 200k diamonds. Oy, sobrang share ko lang kasi nung nag-Hello Stranger nga kami, 'di ba? Nung nag-lock-in shoot kami sa Hello Stranger. Sina Direk Peterson, inayan niya nga kami na parang, uy, mag-video tayo, magsayaw tayo ng I Can't Stop Me by Twice. Tapos inalal ko siya sa hotel. Nung nasa hotel, nag-hotel arrest pa kami, waiting for the swab results. I learned the dance. It was hard to learn, pero pag kasi, yun yung maganda yun yung maganda sa dancing eh. Kasi the process is challenging talaga, like yung pag-aral ng mga steps and ng choreography, ganyan. Pero once na na-master mo na siya, parang ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam. It's like achievement talaga pag nagawa mo na yung sayaw. So, ito. Pag nag 200k. Ito yun, ito yun. Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Huwag kayo magpalipas ng gutom, Oh, coming from me. Practice what you preach. Thank you po sa mga nagbibigay ng gifts kay Seth, Purple Lover, Zen Lesiones. Thank you very much for your generosity. Pag mag 200k, sasayo ako. Promise. Promise Promise talaga. Keep them coming! Woo! Let's go! Virtual gifts. Thank you sa mga lechon. Ayanski. Poiteps, halo. Si Survivory for the flying kiss. Wow, dami halo-halo. Galing. Lapit na! Review ko na nga. Woo! Grabe! Si Samantha yung nagpapalaki. Wala na! Sasayaw na ako! Ate Jessa? Okay, sige na. Sasayaw na talaga ako. Ate Jessa, are you there? Sariling sikap na lang. Wait. Mukhang busy siya doon. Sige na. Sasayaw na ako. Ito na. Ay. Okay. Ito na. Lang Nahiya ako. Okay. Oh my gosh. Don't mind the tape. Okay. Wait lang. Check ko kung kasya ba ako sa frame. Ano dyan? Sasayaw na ako! Ito na. OMG. Yeah. Huwag natin patagalin to. Alright.